Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel once again. I am really grateful for you being here. Thank you so much for being part of my family once again. I am really grateful. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I was able to detangle and moisturize my daughter's hair using aloe vera gel. Meet my daughter Amadora. Today is her wash day, so we are getting ready to wash her hair. My daughter is the type that have dry hair and very tangled, so I was able to use the aloe vera gel to detangle it and moisturize it for it to look so soft, as you can see in this video. After everything, let's dive straight into the video. This is my aloe vera, and I've frozen my aloe vera. That is why it is looking like this. So here is my water that I'll be using to wash my aloe vera. So over here, the next thing I'm coming to do is to chop my aloe vera into pieces and take off the edges and put them into water so that I'll be able to wash off all the yellow latex from the aloe vera. When doing this, you need to be very careful because aloe vera, we know, is very jelly and slippery. So when you are doing this, you just have to be very careful so that you won't end up cutting yourself. Yes, I am done chopping them into pieces. So mine is to wash it. And when you do that, you have to leave it in the water for some time before you wash it off. I have my clay bowl and my spoon here, which I'll use in scooping out my aloe vera gel. So over here, my aloe vera is still frozen. That is why it's looking a bit hard. And when scooping out aloe vera gel, you don't need knife to do it. Just use spoon. It is easier to scoop out your gel using spoon than using knife. With knife, you might end up cutting yourself. So always be careful when you are scooping out aloe vera gel. Aloe vera, we know, has many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. Aloe vera has enzymes that break down fats and so strips your hair of any extra oil. Aloe vera again helps an itchy scalp. Yes, so over here I'm done scooping and I need to blend it, so I poured it into my blender and I'm blending it over here to make it smooth. The next thing I have to do is to sieve my aloe vera gel into my clay bowl. So I'm sieving it because I don't need any other particles in my gel which might stain on my daughter's hair. So that is why I am sieving it. So even though it is frozen, you can see that it is still slimy as it always is, just that it is not as thick as it used to be. So I'm trying to squeeze off all the gel out of the aloe vera because I need it for my daughter's hair. It is ready for use, yes. And this is my daughter. So today is her wash day, as I said earlier. So I'm just trying to prepare her hair, get it ready, and start applying my aloe vera gel. As always, you always like to smile to the camera. Amadora has dry hair, so I'll always have to moisturize it before washing. I have to apply the aloe vera section by section, and this is my aloe vera juice and I'm about to apply it to Amadora's hair. Applying the aloe vera gel, you need to make sure you are massaging the scalp too. By massaging the scalp helps to stimulate your scalp, that will help your hair to grow. So whilst I'm applying the aloe vera gel to her hair, at the same time I am massaging her scalp with the aloe vera gel. Wow, so after applying the aloe vera gel, you can see how soft Amadora's hair has become, very soft and so moisturized. You can see the difference between how it was before me using the aloe vera gel onto her hair. Her hair is looking shiny and moisturized. So I'm trying to use the rest of the aloe vera left, dab on it so that all the juice will go into her hair well. Wow, her hair is looking so beautiful. Yes, so I have to cover her hair up for 30 to 1 hour so that the aloe vera can do its work before I'll go and wash it. It's time for washing. Wow, just look at how soft her hair has become. It has made it so easy for me to be able to wash it. And I always make sure I wash my daughter's hair twice to get rid of any dirt in her hair. This is how Amadora's hair is looking after washing. It's looking so soft, beautiful, silky and shiny, as you can see in the video. Guys, thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much, and may God bless each and every one of you. I love you guys. Bye.